Now, since we have understood what is secondary market, and we also understood that stock exchange contributes major part of secondary market, let's understand a little bit more about what is stock exchanges. So, stock exchange is something which is characterized by summary index. For this, we need to understand what is an index. So, index is basically the record of change of a particular pricing in two different time frames. Could be, let's say, from time frame A to time frame B, what has been the changes. If we compare that in terms of ratio, that will be known as index. So, here is some challenging question to understand what is a stock exchange. Let's say, what is market capitalization? Now, when I talk about the second question, that is your what is Bse Sensex, so that will make us arrive to answer to both the questions. So, Bse Sensex or Sensex, which is famously known as Sensex, which means sensitivity of an index. I told you index is the difference of the price between two time frames. So, we calculate the market capitalization of top 30 companies for a particular point, and we compare it with the base price. Let's say in case of Bse Sensex, the base year is 1978-79. So, at that particular point of time, whatever was the value of market capitalization, that is market capitalization here would be your number of stocks into prices of the stocks. So, that will give us the market capitalization for one company. In similar way, I calculate market capitalization for 30 companies for in the year 1978-79. I take it as a base, convert it to 100, and then I calculate the market capitalization of top 30 companies, let's say in today's time, and then I divide both of them and multiply it by 100. The market capitalization of current period divided by market capitalization of 1978-79 into 100 will give me what is my Sensex at this particular point of time. That is your Bse Sensex. Now, what is NSE Sensex? What is for top 30 companies for BSE? In NSE Sensex, that is basically called Nifty, we have 50 companies, and the base year is also more modern compared to that of BSE. This is about stock exchanges.